readers. Today we are going to keep working on our sight word fluency. Our goal is to read more third grade sight words in 1 minute with fewer mistakes than last time. Remember, we have been using these sight word lists and timing for 1 minute to see how many words you can read. That is called a fluency check. Before we start reading, let me remind you of your personal goals. 28 words per minute. Your personal goal, 24 words in 1 minute. And your personal, I will first model the routine and then you'll read it. And at the end, you'll rate yourselves on the self-assessment form.
Okay.
It looks like this.
Okay. Yes.
Watch and listen while I show you the routine. So I have my word list and my finger to track. I also have my timer, okay? I start at the top and read across the row. And if I come to a word that I don't know, I try it. And if I still cannot read it, I skip it and move on. That will count as an error. I'm going to model so you can see what it looks like. So you heard that I made a mistake and then try it again, right? That's okay. So during your turn, I want you to try a word first. And if it's still hard, skip it and keep going.
Okay.
Now I'm going to show you how to mark the errors. So when I miss a word, I put a small slash next to it so I can see which words I need to practice later. So the steps are to read across the list, try the word, skip it if needed, and then keep going until the timer rings. Now it's your turn, so why don't you go ahead and then we'll follow along with our fingers and listen. When I say go, start reading across and I will stop you when the minute is up.
Okay.
Go.
About, above, across, almost, along, already, always, around, because, before, behind, between, beyond, change, children, close, county, different, during, enough.
So let us look at a couple of words that were tricky. This word is although. Repeat after me. Although.
Although.
Good. And this one is enough. Repeat enough.
Enough.
Now read just this row again with me.
About.
Good.
Above. Across. Against.
Good. Stop right there. Beautiful. This is called repeated reading. So when we read the same words more than once, our brain gets faster and more accurate. Before we move to the next part, I want to check your understanding. So why don't you guys turn and talk to each other. Talk about what are 2 things that you can do when you come to a word you don't know. Go ahead and talk to each other.
You can sound it out with your finger and you read it again. Try it, skip it, and move on.
Yeah, you could try it or you could skip and move on. Perfect. Try the word, and if it's still hard, you skip it. And keep going. Do not stop and get stuck on one word.
Yeah.
Now, show me with your fingers if you feel ready to try the 1 minute reading on your own. Pull the thumbs to the side if you feel like you need more practice. I see that you have your thumbs to the side. Thank you for letting me know how you're feeling about that. Now we'll do an official 1 minute reading. So everyone, put your finger on the first word. When I say go, we're going to read until you hear me say stop. And remember that our goal is more words and fewer errors than last time, okay?
At the same time?
So we're just going to have you go first, okay? Go.
About, above, across, against, almost, along, already, always, around, because, before, behind, between, beyond, brought, certain, change, children, close, different, during, enough, example, favorite.
Okay, stop right there. We'll compare these to your early scores to see if the line goes up on the graph. You guys did a fantastic job. So now take your sight word self-assessment form. It looks like this. And you're going to rate yourself on 5 I can statements. Number 1, I can look at a word and say it without sounding it out. You're going to circle one. Either the star means I've got it, the triangle means I'm working on it, and the box means not yet. So think about today's reading when you choose. Go ahead and complete all 5, and I will give you about 1 minute. Good. I see you doing it. Thank you. Perfect. When you're done, turn them into me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. You guys did amazing. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so now I want to hear from you. So who chose I'm working on it?
Me.
You did. Thank you for being honest about that. This helps me know when to give breaks. It tells me that you're not giving up when a word is hard. High five. And kiss your brain. Bing. Kiss your brain. Bing! Next time, we're going to reteach one part of the routine. We'll spend more time practicing with the just right pace, and we will use shorter word lists so you can focus on reading smoothly. After we practice that, we will do another timed reading and add your new scores to the graph to see if the lines move you closer to your goals. All right, friends, thank you so much. We are all done with this short lesson. You can go back to your desks.